Hey guys, so I thought that I would come and share what I picked up at Paper Person with Kelly Perky. So I got my kit, but I also got some extra stamps. Let's see, she was having some kind of sale. It was more like a clearance. So I got quite a bit. So let's look at it. I love that she gives you like some sample stickers. I love that. Okay, so I'm glad I waited because I liked these, but I didn't get them because, budget. But she had this on clearance. So I picked this up. This is like COVID words. So when you're scrapbooking and you need a phrase, this is all the relevant phrases. So I thought I'd share that. I can't remember what that was. I want to say that was $5, but I can't be sure. All right, then I picked up this one. Again, I had liked this, but I didn't pick it up before. And then she had it on sale. And then this one. And I had to go through my stash because I could have sworn I picked this one up before. But apparently I didn't. And so I really like this one. So I picked this up. Unfortunately, we are always picking up Krispy Kreme. So that would be cute that you don't have to color them. And I just really like this one. Super cute. Super useful. All right. Then I picked up this one. I think this is one of the new ones. I really like this one. Super cute. And then this one, this one I could not resist. So now I'm gonna have to see what these look like. But this for my son's pictures, I have him swimming. Love it. Okay, so those are the extra ones that I picked up. So let's see what came with the kit. Sorry about the rustling. I always like to open it together so you can see what it looks like, packaging and all. I always like when people do that. All right. Okay. So here we go. Here's your stamp set to this one. Play all day. This is cute. That's unique, I think. Really like that. And then, I wonder, is this a correction? Is it something wrong with this one? I don't know. Sometimes they do that. They have a correction. Anyway, I'll have to figure that out. All right, and then we got these stamps. I'm sorry, stickers. It's really early in the morning. It's like 3:45 in the morning. So I could not sleep, so I guess I'd go ahead and get on up. That is so miserable. And I work 10-hour shifts. So you know what my day is going to be like today. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Love this. I wonder if she gave this in a digital file, because I could see myself using that. Oh, I love this. That's pretty. Not so much a floral person, but I like it. That's okay. This one's better. Oh, I'm happy to get multiples. I mean, they're different backgrounds and stuff, but I like that a lot. Okay, so that is my paper person / Kelly Perky kit. All right, guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.